All right, we're at the Too Many Projects booth. You can never have too many projects, but that's the name of the company. What's that?
So we have a 1980 Pontiac Bonneville wagon.
Okay.
79 Olds Cutlass Salon two-door fastback. 77 Cutlass Supreme. 1977 Grand Prix. 77 Royal Monaco wagon. 1977 Ford LTD2, that's the vinyl top version.
Oh, that's cool. I like that.
76 Caprice four-door sedan. It's a 75 to 78 Marquis two-door.
Okay.
75 Impala two-door sport version. And 75 Custom Cruiser wagon. 74 Continental two-door. And 71 Olds Delta 88, it's a two-door. 71 Olds 98 two-door. 74 Buick Estate wagon.
You sell a lot of wagons, don't you?
Yeah, quite a bit.
The wagons are cool.
Yeah, glad it's popular right now. 74 Monaco wagon.
Okay.
74 Impala two-door custom. 74 Impala two-door sport. 73 Caprice four-door hardtop. 73 LeSabre two-door. 73 Chevy Caprice wagon. 73 Custom Cruiser wagon.
A lot of wagons.
Yeah.
Love the wagons.
73 Buick Estate wagon. And 72 Estate wagon. 72 Custom Cruiser wagon. 72 Pontiac Catalina Safari wagon. And 71 or 72 Vista Cruiser.
That's probably my favorite one.
Oh, nice.
If I remember right, the real ones had like a green glass up there.
Oh, really?
I think so.
Next up is the 71 or 72 Mercury Colony Park wagon. 71 Buick Electra two-door.
It's got a lot of nice detail to it also.
Oh, thanks.
Definitely do a good job, Robert.
Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, it's a ton of work too.
These are smooth too. These are nice.
Yeah, it's just a coat of primer, some sanding, and that should take care of it.
Beautiful work.
Thanks. Let's see, so you got the 71 Cadillac Sedan DeVille four-door.
Yep.
71 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. 71 Buick LeSabre two-door. 70 Ford Country Squire. 1970 Olds Vista Cruiser.
Okay.
69 Ford Country Squire. A Cadillac 1949 Cadillac Sedanette. And 46 Cadillac Sedanette.
Okay. You got a few more back over here?
Yeah.
How do they get a hold of you if they want to get a body, order a body from you?
Either through Facebook, Too Many Projects, or my email, which is robertburnsjr101@yahoo.com.
Okay. That's your, right there?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. All right. What you got over here, Robert?
All right, 73 Grand Prix, 73 Chevy Malibu. Next up is a Buick Regal 1973. Another Grand Prix, 74 Pontiac Grand Am two-door.
I bet that Grand Am's a good seller.
Yeah, definitely. 75 Grand Prix. A couple of 76 Grand Prix. 76 Buick Electra two-door. 77 Olds Cutlass Supreme. And a 77 Buick Century two-door fastback.
Okay. Well, thank you. Cool.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, Robert. Definitely nice stuff.
Thank you.
Do you still offer the white bodies also?
Yes.
Okay. What's the difference between the white ones and the tan ones here?
Basically, it's just more sanding, so the price is cheaper, but you have to put a little bit more work into it.
Okay.
So, but you know, some people don't like sanding; they don't
Exactly.
mind paying more, and other people don't want to pay more, but they don't mind
Okay.
sanding. So, try to
All right.
take care of everybody as much as I can.
Sounds good. Well, thank you very much, Robert.
Yeah, thank you. Good seeing you
It was
guys.
good seeing you too. I'm glad you could make it to the show. It's always nice to see you, man.